Hi everyone, welcome to Clara's Feng Shui Cafe. In this video, I'll talk about how to find your love direction in 2021. In Feng Shui, the peach blossom signifies love and romance. 2021 is a special year because this year there is a double peach blossom lock moving to the same direction of your house. If you activate your peach blossom lock in this direction using Feng Shui, it would enhance your love life. If you're single, you can enhance this direction to attract love and relationships. If you're already married, you can also enhance this love direction to strengthen your love and relationships. Now I'll share with you step by step how to enhance this love direction. But first, we need to know where is the love star and where does it come from? Well, let's go and find out. Here we can see a 9-quadrant chart with directions clearly labeled. In 2021, the number 1 flying star flies to the south. As I mentioned in my previous video, number 1 star governs love, travel, and wisdom. Number 1 star can bring peach blossom luck to your life. In 2021, number 1 star flies to the south, and next year it will fly to the north. The year after, it flies to the southwest, and then the east, the southeast, and then back to the center, and then northwest, west, northeast, and by 2030, it flies to the south again. 2021 is the year of the ox. Here is a 9-quadrant chart with number 1 star in the south. And here we have 12 Chinese zodiacs in their respective Bagua direction. As this year is the year of the ox, the peach blossom is therefore in the horse direction, which is exactly in the south. Horse is also the peach blossom in the year of the snake and rooster. People born in the year of the snake, rooster, and ox would have more peach blossom luck in 2021. This is because the ox is good friends with the snake and the rooster. These 3 zodiacs would benefit more from the horse's peach blossom luck in the south this year. In the 12 Chinese zodiacs, the horse, the rabbit, the rat, and the rooster are the only 4 peach blossoms, but they take turns every year. This year, as we know, the peach blossom luck is in the horse's direction in the south. But next year, 2022, the rabbit in the east is the peach blossom. Then the year after, it is the rat in the north, and then the rooster in the west, and then back to the horse in the south again. This peach blossom cycle repeats in anti-clockwise direction on the Bagua map. So, as we can see, this year, both the flying star number 1 and the horse's peach blossom are in the south. As both of them bring peach blossom luck to the same direction, which is south, this means we have double peach blossom luck in the south in 2021. So, how do we use Feng Shui to enhance the love direction and activate your peach blossom luck in your house in 2021? As we know, the double peach blossom luck is in the south of your house this year. This would be a great opportunity to activate your love energy. If you are in the northern hemisphere, right now it's spring and you can place some peach blossoms in the south to activate your love energy. If you are in the southern hemisphere, currently it is autumn, so you can place some red roses in the south to activate your love energy. And if you want to further boost your peach blossom luck, you can place a picture of a horse in this direction or any horse symbols, because a horse by itself is the peach blossom this year. If your front door happens to be in the south this year, then you will have more opportunities to attract love and romance. This is because the love energy can easily enter your house from your front entrance. But if your front door is not in the south, don't worry. What you can do is to open the windows in this direction to invite the peach blossom luck into your house. But you have to make sure to keep your south direction clean and bright, because peach blossom love clean and nice environment. Finally, wishing you much love and happiness. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and get notified on my latest videos.